Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how I ran the brake cables, brake lines here on this 67 Camaro. There's how I did it there. You can see that bracket was there. The lines go back there and over to there. I also changed the gear oil gasket, and there's how I did that there. And I'm putting in the fuel line here. You can see how that runs. It's going to end up kind of here. Yeah. Right there. Got to figure out which holes they go into. It's going to be on the side there, screwed in with those brackets. Well, they're not screwed in, but they're riveted in brackets, like that bracket there, or that newer red bracket I put in. And the differential oil bolt is just behind this axle differential area there. It's a square bolt, and it's you want to make sure you can loosen it up before you get into the job. Mine was nice, loosened up, no problem. And that's what I got going so far today. There's that clip you got to get, holds that brass fitting together there. And yeah, make sure you got your car jacked up and safe to be under it. Always, guys. I'll see you for the next video.